Alright, this is a male pattern hair loss level 3. Androgenic alopecia, male pattern hair loss level 3. There's no hairline from here to here. There's no hairline from here. It's already receded and gone inside. Looks like an M shape. Some people call this M shape. So this diagram to show what is level 3. Now the patient is already shaved off. I'm going to draw the design. Now let's go up and see the design and what we're going to do for the patient. So we're going to do a restoration. We're going to draw a design which is very conservative and try to cover this area, and we will fill out here and here more to frame the face for him so that he will gain his confidence level. In the morning, just now from here to there, there's no any hair, so we have put the graph to this area. Here, here, here. This will be the hairline, and it will be looks very natural.